Good morning, everyone. My name is Tiara. I'm from State University of Malang. I'm gonna present my article entitled Identification and Determining the Pseudo Magnitude of Mesa Star based on observation data from the east sky in the Mentigan Hill of Mount Bromo, East Java Tourism Area. Introduction. All celestial bodies that appear to light can be detected with the naked eye or with optical binocular. A star is a celestial body that shows light. Mesa is an O-type blue giant and one of the stars in the constellation Orionis. The brightness of a star is called its magnitude. Method. First step is preparing the camera and include the tripod. Second is observing the sky. Third is take a picture of sky. Fourth, analyzing and discussion. And five, conclusion. And there is a observation data result that we had from the camera. This is the Betelgeuse star information from Stellarium application. And this is the MESA star information that for Stellarium 2. Identification of star. Identification research image with standard maps on a stellarium using a vector pattern which contains distance and angle information. And then compare this to standard map with photo from observation. The results obtained are 33.3375 millimeter and 45 degrees angle in two images as below. Next, determining the magnitude of the Betelgeuse star. Based on the result obtained from stellarium, the magnitude value of the star Betelgeuse is 0.45. The magnitude constant of the Betelgeuse star was calibrated on the iris software by determining the radius of the circle at the photometric aperture setting using two digital strings with a ratio 1:6. The constant magnitude value for the Betelgeuse star is 7.997. Determine the apparent magnitude of the Mesa star by placing the radius circle aperture photometry at various points of the Mesa star with reference to the standard stellar magnitude constant that has been obtained. And then discussions determining the magnitude of this Betelgeuse star based on the result obtained from stellarium. The magnitude value of Betelgeuse star is 0.45. The magnitude constant of this Betelgeuse star was calibrated on the iris software 5.59 by determining the radius of circle at the photometric aperture setting using two digital rings with a ratio of 1:6. The constant magnitude value for a star Betelgeuse is 7.997. determining the magnitude of this Mesa star determines several points where the magnitude value will be known by placing the radius of the photometric aperture cycle. The following is the apparent magnitude of Mesa star, and the mean value is 3.8656 with a standard deviation of 0.51197 and an error of 2.60%. There is a data from Mesa stars and then conclusion. Based on sky research conducted on the Nantigan Hill of Mount Bromo, data was obtained in the form of image of state of the night sky on Friday, November 1st, 2019 at 23:16. The apparent magnitude value of the star of Mesa star is 3.14
plus minus
0.51 with an error of less than 5% with the reference value of the magnitude of stellarium. The resulting value from the analysis is not too far off. This can prove that determining the apparent magnitude of a star can be done through calibration using software IRIS. Thank you so much. That's all. Good morning.